Hey, what's up guys, girls, what's up? Gonna be showing you a video on how I installed the train horns on a second generation Dodge Ram. Could be a 6-foot or 8-foot bed. One thing you have to do first is lose your spare tire. That has to go, as well as the mechanism that holds the spare tire up. That has to come out. So I'm going to be showing you some pictures before or after, some brackets that you have to make, because the kit that I purchased from hornblasters.com does not come with the brackets to mount the actual horn. Those horns were made for a train, for the locomotive. So let me get on the truck and show you real quick. Alright, here we go. So, mostly concerned with vibrations and loosening up this installation. So, I'm going to show you the brackets that we made and how they were welded. As far as the actual air tank, you can see we we welded the brackets one side here, since I couldn't weld the other side onto this bracket that I'm using here. You should have it as well on the back of your bed. And to make a bracket, you know, just a straight piece. These are 1/8 inch L-shaped brackets. So I was able to tack weld a piece there to hold at that corner, and I tacked it onto the tow hitch bar. Now you can come over here and see the horns. I show you how to do the brackets with the pictures. We're gonna tack weld that there, and we're gonna come on the other side. On this side, able to tack the other horn corner onto that major center bracket. The only side I wasn't able to tack on was this corner here. It's no big deal. I got 3 of them. So I also to hook up the compressor real close to the air tank, so you don't have to use that much air hose at all. I put this bracket here going across, attaching it to the air tank, and a small one here attaching it to the actual frame. Alright. No sense in me blasting these horns. You don't do that stuff at home. But everything is pretty compact. You can fit everything. Let me see if I can do a shot here of everything. I hope that's not in reverse. Of course, they say, oh man, you can't read your air pressure. So what? Who cares? It'll turn off by itself once they reach the pressure. And remember, you gotta release. You gotta open this up once a month to let the water out. Sometimes water from condensation gets built up in there. It's just like an air compressor. And that's about it. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Remember, I'm doing these videos on the pretense that it's helping someone. If you want to subscribe to the channel, that's cool. It's free, don't cost you anything. I got a lot of tips and stuff on second generation Dodge Rams here. Alright guys, girls, be cool. Blast those horns.